Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Emma and karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we're just lounging at home, so welcome to a day in my life lounge edition. And we are just making breakfast and we are making pancakes. So I realized that people call crepes pancakes and they don't know the difference between pancakes and crepes. Pancakes are thicker than crepes. Pasau hiyo. I hope you've learned something new. And I was not making a lot of them. It's just me alone, so I just needed a small portion of this cream or butter. Yes, pancake butter. Then I decided to add oats for additional proteins because I need that, and you know, you're not going to grow an ass out of the blues. You need to eat something with proteins for glutes, and that's a secret that you know. Make your pancakes with oats and you will thank me later. Now let's cook. So something that I realized that helped me a lot is to do utensils immediately after cooking, because nikiziacha hapo nitakuwa lazy kurudi kitchen na kuosha. So I decided to wash the utensils that I used to make breakfast ndio zitoke kwa sink. I didn't want any dirty utensils. I hate doing chores, acha tu niwaambie, and I also hate to be told to do chores, and you know, something that my mom is good at is doing that every time. Then afterwards, ensure the sink was clean, and then I washed my clothes. I washed a haul that I did at Juja, and I'm going to post the video over here to show you what I got. I got a lot of good pieces and outfits. You will see that soon. Then later, if you have watched my video vision board, I will link it down below. You will know that I dedicated this year to knowing God more and also journaling, and my first gift of 2023 was a journal, and I loved it, and I use it every day to plan, to do everything, and to schedule my day, and also writing new things that I want to do. And we went outside to enjoy some vitamin D, and because the sun is there, it's shining so much, it's January, I had to do some sunscreen and also my glasses for protection from UV rays. And yeah, now studying my Bible, spending some little time with God, and ensuring my connection with Him is strong, because I wouldn't find anything without God. You know that? Yes. So later on, I decided to make lunch and enjoy watching me cook. I love this part a lot. I love cooking. Cooking is in my blood. But then my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, beauty, and daily vlogs, you know, enjoying ourselves and being us. I love cooking. I was cooking pork. I know most of you don't like pork in stew, but I did that for a change because I was eating it with starch.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Happy Valentines. It's Valentine's Day. How are you spending like your Valentines at? How are you doing? First of all, I hope that you're doing great. I'm doing amazing, superb. I am making some lunch. It's Valentine's. It's on the 14th of February. I'm making lunch. I'm making some pork and ugali. It's not a heavy meal for lunch, no. But anyway, I want to make something for my friend. Yeah.
And you guys, just tell me that this doesn't look pretty. Like when nyambini poa. It is pretty and it was yummy. And yeah, I added onions after cooking the first batch because I needed like fresh onion flavor in the food without it being extra cooked. And also I diced up a semi-ripe mango for a salad that I was making to accompany the pork and the ugali. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and also like this video for it to get recommended to other people, and finally share this video with a friend or two. If you have not hit that notification bell, please do so. I decided to end the day with a good shower after running a bit of errands from here and there, like going for my parcels and also attending to my clients, but you know, I decided to wash it all down and to settle in for the evening, you know. Yes, and I hope that you like this video. I'll be posting my shower routine here, so if you want to watch it and learn something later, please subscribe to the channel and touch that notification bell to get notified when I post that video. And finally, we will see each other next time, same place kama kawaida. And after this, I just went to bed and slept and waited for the next day. Oh, I ate supper first because this was around 5 or 6. Then I ate and went to bed, retired for the day. That was my day, a typical day at home. This is not a busy day, and yes, I hope that you enjoyed my company. Till next time, bye bye, and I love you so much. Kisses. Mwah.